guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. My name is Vincent at PressVinetTV.com. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to join Temu affiliate program. Before we start, what is affiliate program? Sometimes some people are kind of confused about affiliate program. The way affiliate program work, or what affiliate program is promoting a third-party business, basically promoting someone else's business, and in return you receive commission or payment for doing this. So you are driving traffic to another company's business, okay? And when someone make a purchase using your link, then you receive commission. So what I'm going to do is just to show you how this works. So I'm going to talk to you about Temu affiliate program. Temu have this affiliate program. So if you have purchased stuff from them and you are happy with the product you purchased from them, you can recommend this product to your friends, relatives, or followers, as the case may be, and give them your link, okay? And when they make that purchase using your link, Temu will give you some percentage or commission, as the case may be. So Temu have affiliate program where any person can join. They also have influencer program, whereby if you have online presence, if you have social media, okay, if you have followers, you can sign up. Check my video how to sign up Temu influencer program. Now, to join Temu affiliate program, any person can join, anybody can join it, okay, and start promoting Temu. And so where you find this information is just need to scroll down from the website, okay, scroll down to the end, and you will see affiliate and influencer. Okay, so this is where to check affiliate and influencer. Then you select on it, and when you select on it, you see unlock more ways to earn benefit on Temu. They are looking for content creator to rock their favorite Temu look. Okay, you can see affiliate program, share and earn up to £150,000 per month. So what you need to do is sign up. If you are influencer, then you can also sign up through this, okay? Now, affiliate program, okay, if you think you can attract more users to Temu or influence them to item they are interested in, they did love you to join Temu affiliate program and share millions of commission. Okay, why join us? Millions in commission. So you get commission, okay? Anyone can join, and easy to earn, and it's a trusted brand. Temu is one of the most downloaded app in the Apple App Store and Google Store. So the benefit you get is you share the commission, okay? And if any person download using your link, you get £2 bonus for every new user who download the Temu app via your qualifying code. You also have 20% commission and 50% off your referral, okay, if they are new users. So these are frequent asked questions, okay? How do you sign up? This is something that I want to share with you, okay? Recommend product. You can also recommend product. So basically, if you have followers, if you have purchased a lot of stuff from Temu, if you check my videos, see how several products I have purchased by myself. Some of them I put them to test to make sure they work before I recommend it, or I'll tell you this is where I purchased this product. Okay, so if you check my video, you see that I've purchased a lot of product, and sometimes people also worry if the product will arrive. The product I purchased arrived here even, I think, 2 or 3 days earlier. Here, they will send the product, and also they will give you a link, okay, for you to track the product. Okay, so the product arrived using every delivery company. So now what you need to do is, if you're doing this for the first time, you need to sign up. Okay, sign up affiliate now. Select, okay, I already an affiliate with Temu. Okay, so what you need to do, you can see affiliate program. You will see available cash and pending and withdraw. So you can withdraw the money using PayPal. Okay, so you can withdraw the money, and in the near future they might have option for you to pay into your bank account, but you can set up PayPal account. Okay, just put your email address, your PayPal email address, and you are good to go. So you earn 20% commission, and if anybody download using your link, you get £2. Okay, so 20% commission and £2 download reward. So anybody that download using your link, okay, can see 8,545 referral rates. So they tend to have different rates, different referral program you can join. So this is something that I thought to share with you. And then how to share: you submit coupon site. Okay, there are 14 to begin here. Okay, then you paste your link in your bio. So you can put your link in your bio. You can also write article, okay, from the blog post and drive traffic there. So these are so many things you can do in terms of, you can review the product of Temu. You can also make a YouTube video and put the link description, okay, or Temu link, or the description of the product, okay, in the description. So you can put the Temu link, okay, tell people about this. You purchase this product from Temu, and this is the link here, okay, your referral link. If someone join, they get also £100 coupon bundle and 50% off via your affiliate code. The best link in your bio, place link in your post, which means like article, okay, you can post on SNS to promote your link and more view and revenue. Okay, you can also send the link to your friends. So there are several ways you can promote Temu. Okay, you can purchase a product from Temu, review it as a YouTube, like I said earlier, put the link, okay, put Temu link underneath the description. Okay, you can also write article, blog post. You can also create affiliate funnel, create like a Facebook group and start putting it there. You can also put it in your bio, in your social media platform. So there's several ways. It's just a question of, you can also send it to your WhatsApp. You can also send this to your friends. So have several stuff. Okay, they are selling so many things. Okay, so depending on the product you are, okay, so they have, if you go to the category best sellers, you go to new arrival, if you go to categories, so they have things for women clothing, okay, home and kitchen, women curve plus. So they have several things. So depending on what you are looking for or what your friends is looking for, okay, so they have several things. Okay, they have maternity. So you just need to go to the categories and look for the product and service that, okay, a friend want, or what you want to purchase. Okay, so you just need to go to categories. They also have kids shoe. Okay, so you can see kids shoe here. You select particular one. So this, and they are quite reasonable in terms of the price. So this is something that I thought to share with you. The price is reasonable and decent and nice material. I purchased several stuff here. You can also see stuff I have in the catalog too. I need to pay for. Okay, so but this is something I thought to share with you, how to join Temu affiliate program and start promoting Temu or sharing the link to your audience. You can write a blog. You can do several things about it. Okay, you can write a blog. You can post it on your platforms, and if you drive traffic to Temu, pretty much driving traffic to Temu, and you get payment in return. Yeah, this is actually what it's all about. It just needs about sharing that link to a lot of followers and telling them about Temu. If the product they are looking for, if it's there available, they can tell them to use your link to sign up. Okay, so if you are new here, please sign up using my link. Okay, thank you very much. I thought to share with you how to join Temu affiliate program. Also, how to check us also my video, how to join Temu influencer. Okay, if you're happy with this video, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.